Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So today our client is having an 18-inch LA weave fitted. Her hair is in really nice condition and all she wants is added length. So this method of using an LA weave is perfect for the client because she don't want the damage of glue or heat. So it's perfect for her because she ain't going to get any of that at all. So Kelly is just thinning out the ends of the client's hair, and the reason is because she's got quite a blunt cut and it just helps to blend her own hair into the extension hair. So the client doesn't have very long hair and doesn't really have much hair as it is, so Kelly's taking it closer to the hairline than normal as it is really short, and she's also adding a bit more hair to the sides as well. This will just help with making the hair appear thicker because of the extensions, and she's taking it further up, and also with the length. So guys, rather than hearing me blabber on throughout every single video, we really want to know what you want to see and what you want to know regarding LA weaves. So just leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, and we'd just really love to hear from you. Alright guys, and there you have it, a beautiful blonde LA weave. Absolutely stunning. If you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.